Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to add contacts to Hotmail, now known as Outlook. Whether you're organizing your friends, family, or work contacts, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it easily and efficiently. So, let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the Outlook login page. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Next, sign in using your Hotmail or Outlook email address and your password. Make sure your credentials are correct. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Just use the recovery options to reset it before proceeding. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu and click on the people icon. This is your contacts hub. If you don't see it immediately, simply expand the menu to reveal all options. Now that you're on the people page, it's time to add a new contact. Click on New Contact. A form will appear where you can enter all the details for your contact. Start with the basics like first name, last name, and email address. You can also fill in optional information to make your contacts more complete. This includes phone numbers, physical addresses, and even notes for additional details. Take a moment to double check all the information for accuracy. It will save you trouble later. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your new contact is now added to your Outlook address book and is ready for emailing or calling anytime you need. It's that simple, and that's it. Now you know how to add contacts to Hotmail or Outlook quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.